Today I'm taking a look at the mini video projector. So it comes with a remote, and we have what looks like an HDMI cable. That's nice, it comes with one. We got our power supply, so that's good for 100 or 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 2.18 amps at 22 volts. And here is the projector. That is a nice tiny thing. So you got a good looking lens there on the front, nothing on the right side. On the rear we got our power port, we got an audio port. So if you want to listen on headphones, you don't want to bother anybody around you, you can do that. We got our HDMI port, USB, and infrared. On the left side we got vents, and they did put the navigation buttons there on the top. So even if you lose a remote, you'll still be able to use this guy. On the bottom they did put a 1/4-20 mount, so if you want to put this thing on a light stand or a tripod, we can do that. And they gave us this really cool stand. So with this, if we want to like point this guy at the ceiling, we can do that. That is very unique. You definitely do not see that with most projectors. And we got our instructions, and that is in full color. Okay, so we got a pretty bright looking screen, which is nice. Going to settings, let's adjust our focus. All right, that looks pretty good. And Keystone the other way. There you go. Hey, that's not bad at all. I could probably tweak that a little bit better, but for right now, that is not bad. So now I'm going to plug in the HDMI to my phone, and we will go down to HDMI.
Today I am building a computer. So this is a 9800X3D. So
right there, we are watching one of my videos right there on the projector, and it actually has some pretty good sound.
I'm using G-Skill DDR5. This is a 96
turn that down.
kit for cooling.
That is surprisingly good speaker to it. But yeah, that is a very nice screen. Got a pretty decent speaker on it. And for such a tiny little projector, that is actually putting out quite a bit of light. And very nice color reproduction as well. So yeah, I'm happy with that.